the fundamental thing to understand is that any thing that we start to develop, it starts from a point that any solution to this problem exists. And now we need to find a way to solve that. First thing, testers not involved in the discussions on requirement. Second, testers are involved but in a passive way. They are not actively involved. Or whenever they ask a question, they would be probably be asked to note that down, but ask it at a later stage. But because right now we don't want to discuss more questions or such kind of things. This is where the art of projection becomes very important. The ability to project your understanding is very important. So how I do it, I'll explain you. I create mind maps of the entire product. I do a survey testing. I map out all the product. I map out all the structure, function, interfaces, platform, operations, data, timing related stuff associated with the project. I showcase them back. If there is a risk, it's better we identify it at the earliest, and early stage risks can be found in the requirement itself. If you see ambiguity in certain part of requirement, it's a risk. If you see a requirement is too complex or the specifics are not mentioned, it's a risk.